I have 3+ years of experience now, and there's still 6 months more to CAT. Is it worthwhile taking the CAT? And there's a bunch of issues with this. Question is it meaningful for CAT? Is it meaningful doing an MBA? How will it affect my performance in placements and summer internships and all that? Right? So 3 years of experience, you can definitely try CAT. If you have 3+, then you should probably think about CAT and GMAT. And there's a simple rule of thumb. The better off position you are in your career, the fewer colleges are really applicable to you. What do I mean by that? Suppose you have 3 years of experience and you're earning 9 lakhs per annum, then you're practically applying to only the top 8, top 10 colleges, because other colleges will not give you a meaningful chance of dramatically improving your earning potential. And so keep that in mind. So if you have 3 years experience, your college set could shrink. That's all right. But we've had lots and lots of guys who go in with 4 years, 5 years experience and change their careers and then take off from post MBA in their careers. And so don't think that a 3-year experience is a limiting factor to take value from an MBA. It is not. And so the other question that comes about is, will I be an outlier in the batch? 4 years, 5 years experience, you're not going to look like a patron saint. The median is going to be 2.5, 3 years. You'll be a year or two older than the median age. That's not the end of the world. You can hang out with guys 2 years younger than you. It's a no-brainer. And placements, will it matter during placement? There's a tiny group of companies that like fresh graduates. But that apart, you'll be at par or better place than most graduates if you have good experience, relevant experience, any experience. And so it's not a deal breaker. There are also lots of companies that come for lateral placements, which is effectively only available to people with say 30 months of experience or more pre-MBA. That pot will open up for you. And so that's not an issue. If you do well in your MBA, you might have 5 years of experience, but post MBA you can get the best jobs out there. Nothing is going to prevent you from doing that. Summer placement. This is where the real issue could come. So you have 5 years of experience and you start off on an MBA. For summer, lots of summer placement processes start 3 months, 4 months into your MBA. And so the guys are looking for somebody who can be with them for 8 weeks, 9 weeks, just be another person on the desk, do some project, and then impress them over an 8-week period. This is a part to investigate. They're not really processing everything. They'll go for some great CVs. They'll go for a mix. There, they prefer freshers by a wide margin. So in summer internship, guys with fewer years of experience, really strike gold. So if you have 5 years plus experience, it will not affect what value you take. It will not affect your chances of getting in. You will not look like a giant outlier in the batch. It will not really affect your placements. Your summer internship, expect to suffer. It's a small price to pay. So if you have 3 or 4 years of experience, it's a no-brainer. Definitely take CAT. Prepare seriously, crack it, you can go places. Right? What you should also do is think about GMAT. It's a very viable option. So keep that option open, but you can definitely take CAT. Right? Best wishes for CAT preparation.